Hello guys, how are you everyone? I know that's a weekend day and that's a Sunday night. That's the weekly analysis for the next week. Tomorrow morning, our working day. So that's the gold chart. That's the clearly gold showing that a clear uptrend to the upside. That's the potential going to the higher time frame. That is the landmark of the 4000. The monthly candle is two bullish and that's the candle closing on the 9 days remain. So and weekly candle was also bullish. That's the small correction in the weekly time frame, the swing levels. That's the swing trade levels. You can see this. That's the fib area. I think maybe okay. That's the fib area also. In 1 week time frame candle guys. That's the one buying areas first in daily time frame. In daily time frame guys. And that's the plus buying area for the next buying area. That's a big correction. That's the levels of the swing levels. The daily time frame price was going to the upside. Price closed above this area at 3,707. After price close on this first Asian hours session, then I will be go for the buying side momentum to capture the new buying levels. So that's the 1 day time frame buying areas with the swing trade levels. That's the 238 levels. Next trading areas. That's the refined more. In minute, the imbalance areas. That's the one are buying areas on guys. And there was one more level in the daily time frame. That's the important zone for the next week. Okay, guys, you will mark on that. That is the 360 3660. Okay, that's the point. That's the area of interest in gold. You have there two buying level for that type. That is and that is also. As the price come on this that, that's the definitely place. That's the weekly levels, guys. You mark on your charts on this levels. Uh, this is that is the intraday level. You mark on your chart. So that's three level on your chart you mark. That's the more important for the next week. I will give you these levels in the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Most important level for the next week. And price with this zone, it would be okay. That a new fresh position on that areas. Price creating a new position on these areas. That should be depend on this the market's behavior on the tomorrow morning. Let's say on the what is within the market and market what to create the structure with the price action. That's the see everything for the tomorrow, but that's the analysis weekly analysis level for the gold in next week. That's I will give the three most important level for that time. So you will mark on your charts everyone. So that's the level for the gold. Okay, that's the level for the gold. The most important level for the gold is the next week. Okay, I will go for the Bitcoin chart. What happened in the monthly candle on the Bitcoin? Because it the trade on the all-time high. You can see this. That's the trade on the all-time high. So 1 month candle is the bullish candle. Ooh, that's a correction level. Guys, that not tap. That's a good buying area for the Bitcoin. You can see this. That's the day candle, guys. That's the normal level for this level. That is the good level for the Bitcoin. Either or one more also level here. But weekly candle, that is a correction for this level also. That's the good buying level to buying the Bitcoin, buy the Bitcoin. So you can trade only this level. Either this level was the liquidity of market. So you don't trade here. That's the everything was liquidity. You can see this. You can see this. That's the everything for the market liquidity. That's the everything market liquidity. You can see this. That's the, everything was market liquidity. That's the everything market liquidity. So don't trade these levels. That's the buyers. Every was here. That's the ASL. So that's a big selling momentum continue for this level. So you can find the best selling best sell side entries for the next week because the next week is the correction for the Bitcoin also. So after price come the 11,000, 1,11,000, that is the very good level to purchase the Bitcoin for the big momentum. Okay, so price creating a downside liquidity. You can see this. That's the seller active on this level. That's the seller active on these areas. You can see this. You can see this. You can see this. That's the seller entries. So price creating the new lower low. That's the change of character also. That is the support level for that market in the 4 hour time frame. So let's see. That price must break this level, the 1,15,000. Uh, break this level. So price was goes down for the 1,11,000. That is the 400 pip momentum in Bitcoin in the selling side. So that is the good capture the buying side entries on that level. But that is now the price in trade in the selling levels. So you can trade very carefully because you don't enter because you can liquidity of market on that time. Price was trading the very consolidated. You can see this. That's the good price action to the going for the downside momentum. But you have a one scalping level. You can see this. Let's say one scalping level for you can trade very carefully because that is the support. Price every time tap this support. Price reacting a good. Okay, price reacting very good on that level. So that's the support level for that Bitcoin. So which is going on. But you can see this price first of the break of structure. That is the 1 hour choke. So that is the good entries to the going downside. The price was goes for that one selling side momentum in the next previous week. So you can trade carefully to the buy side entries or my bias for this Bitcoin was selling at this moment after price come this level 1,11,500. So that's my interest area of interest to buying in Bitcoins. So I'll mark the chart. I will entry definitely for the my big long entries the upcoming in Bitcoin. So let's see what's happened. I will mark and check and if anyone interested so you can join my Telegram group to inform about these trades. So that is the good reacting areas. That's the intraday level in Bitcoin, and that's the support thing, and that's the liquidity price. So, but in weekly time frame, you can see this price was the one correction at this time. You can see this. That's the correction to come the price on this level. That's a very good level for. the big side entries in Bitcoin. Right, selling point and put selling point. That's the daily time frame selling area. So price the selling on that area. And that's the Bitcoin high liquidity. There should be that's the best increase for the Bitcoin in right now. That's the daily time frame selling area. So price the selling was coming at this time, but overall the price section is too bullish for Bitcoin. So that's the support for that the 4 hour time frame. So let's see what's happened for the support in Bitcoin, and that's the very good buying interest levels. So that's the most important level for the Bitcoin. You also shall mark on your charts. That's the area of the 1,14,000. That's the very good support for that this time in Bitcoin to grab the that is the choice for the daily time of selling areas candle, a plus selling area candle. So that's the breakup structure in daily time frame. Basically, that's the breakup structure and not the going for change of character in Bitcoin. So that's small corrections for the upcoming days in Bitcoin. The upcoming week. What are you doing? Hmm? So you can only mark this chart or on your chart. Uh, That is a very good, very engulfing candle for the selling side area for the daily time frame A plus zones, and that is also breakup structural to the price, showing the rejection for the downside, and that's the selling was continue the showing the selling. So that's the continuation for the this level. Price again come on the 1 lakh levels. The price was selling for the only the TGL. That is the 1 hour, a 1 day time frame selling, guys. That's the two major pairs. I will analyze this and give you these two levels. That is the A plus levels, guys. So that's two level was for that, and that's the weekly time frame analysis. Anyone interested in other pairs, you can comment it below. I will check and analyze these pairs. And one more, that's the US oil. Oil in the correction level in monthly time frame, and that's the support for that type to price. Another this break this support, so price was up this level. I will give you two more levels in the US oil. You will mark on your charts this. That's the level for that day. That's the gold level. Sorry. So I'll give you three levels. You can mark on your charts. The reacting the market on this level, you can see this. These levels are your mark on your charts, okay? Yeah. So that's the analysis, the weekly analysis. Thanks for watching, guys. Who can watch the stream. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone. You can share and like. You can interested on these topics and this type of analysis, and you are very faithful on this content. So you can like and subscribe my channel to grow our communities. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow morning, London sessions with the live trades. Thank you so much.